In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to GoHighLevel. We're going to walk through the exact process of linking your domain from GoDaddy to your GoHighLevel account, so your funnels, websites, or pages load on your own custom URL. To start, head to the official GoHighLevel website and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the Domains option and open it. This is where you'll connect your new domain. Click Add New Domain, then type your domain name, like your domain.com. Keep it simple, just a domain, without HTTP or HTTPS. After you add it, GoHighLevel will show you the DNS records you need to set up. Typically, you'll see a CNAME and an A record. The CNAME points a host like www to a target provided by GoHighLevel, while the A record points your root domain directly to an IP address. Copy these values carefully so they match exactly. Next, open a new tab and log into your GoDaddy account. Go to your domain management page and select the domain you're connecting. Click DNS or Manage DNS to open the DNS settings for that domain. Here, you'll add or update the records that GoHighLevel provided. Paste in the CNAME and a record details exactly as shown. If GoHighLevel indicates you should replace existing records, go ahead and update them. A quick tip: if your domain already points to another website, replacing the A record will change where it loads. If that's a concern, consider using a subdomain in GoHighLevel instead, but follow the same DNS approach. After you've added or updated the records, click Save so your DNS changes are applied. If you're using GoHighLevel via a browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. If you're using GoDaddy, check the domain management link there as well. Now return to GoHighLevel and click Verify. If everything's set up correctly, it may verify right away. If it doesn't, don't worry. DNS propagation can take time. Allow for propagation to complete. It often takes a few minutes, but in some cases it can take several hours, and rarely up to a day. Once verification succeeds, your domain will show as active and connected in GoHighLevel, and you'll be ready to publish your pages on your custom URL. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.